Hey guys, this is how to publish and sell an ebook online with a ConvertKit. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the Earn tab in ConvertKit. It will be at the top and a drop down will show up. And from there, just simply select product. And after that, just simply go ahead and select new product on the top right. It will be located somewhere over here. And after that, just simply, of course, name your product, select choose a product, and simply select digital products. And from there, just simply upload the ebook file. And after that, just simply provide all of the necessary information needed into your ebook in order for you to reach out many people as you can, and in order for you to attract customers to buy your ebook. And after that, once you are done, just simply go ahead and save your page and publish. And from there, guys, ConvertKit will automatically deliver the ebook to the buyer's inbox. So it will be via inbox. And guys, you can also sell other digital products in ConvertKit, such as reports, vector art, illustrations, files, and paid access to videos. And guys, another thing that if you want to offer reoccurring payments, select subscription instead of choose product, because this is useful for membership sites, paid newsletters, and others. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. And if you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.